See, there's the parrots. You can't see the green on them though. Not with this camera. They're flying from somewhere. A lot of wild parrots. They're right there.